Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change your profile picture on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to LinkedIn, open the app, and after that click on your picture on the top left of the screen. After that click on your name, and after that click on your profile picture and choose view or edit profile picture photo. And here, if you want to edit your picture, like move it a little bit or something like that, click on edit, and you can move your picture or do zoom a little bit or whatever you want. And if you want to change your picture, you have just to do the same thing, view or edit profile photo, but you have to click on add photo and choose if you want to take it with your camera or upload it from your phone. And after that, everything will be good and your profile picture will change. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.